Okay, so the next thing that you're going to need to do is you're going to need to count up how many times the British won and how many times the Americans won. So this is a picture that the same picture that you'll see in your book. So you can look at your book if you want to see something clearer. This is the best picture that I could find online. So down here, this is called the map key. This kind of tells you what you're looking at. So if you see the red kind of splotch, means a British victory. So your job right now is you're going to count up the red dots right here to see how many times the British won. So right here, British won, 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 British won. So all those times the Americans and the British fought and the British won. The next thing you need to do is count up how many times the Americans won. It says American victory. That means the Americans won. So count up how many times the Americans won. Americans won here, they won here, they won here, 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 here. And so you need to come up with the total number of times that Americans won and the total number of times that the British won.